Welcome students. Today we are going to solve question number 4 from DK Goyal. Cash book. This question is also belongs from single column cash book, but basically the new thing is in this question is GST. So let us start the question. I am going to read the question. From the following transaction in a single column cash book, 2019 December 1st, cash in hand 25,000. First of all, the balance of the cash is given here. So 2019 December 1st, the cash balance shown here, to balance brought down. Okay? The balance is given in the question, so that means the money is received by a company or money is in a hand of a company, so that's why it's shown here to balance brought down. It's a 25,000 rupee. As we know, debit side belongs for the receipt and credit side belongs for the payment. The next one is 2nd December, cash sales 40,000, CGST 6%, SGST 6%. So when you sold the goods, that's mean you receive money. So to sales account 40,000, as you also received money in form of GST. So to output CGST account, to output SGST account, which is 6%. So 6% on sales. So 40,000, 6%, 2,400 each. Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay. Come to the next. Received from X on behalf of Y. We receive money from X, but on behalf of Y. It means money paid by Y to me, and I received the money, or business received the money. That's means simply shown here the name of Y. So to Y, the money is value of rupees 4,000. How much? 4,000. The date is 4 also. Oh, good. Now the next transaction is paid to Sompal, discount received. We paid money to Sompal. So simply the date is December 9, 2019, December 9, by Sompal, and the money is 4,900. We didn't see here the discount money. Why? Because we just record here cash transactions and recorded only cash receipts and cash payment, not the discount received or discount allowed. Is it clear? Come to the next. Received from Vijay Kumar and discount allowed. The next thing, we didn't show here discount allowed. As we not shown here discount receipt, also not shown discount allowed. So to Vijay कुमार. सो विजय कुमार के केस में क्या है अमाउंट अपना देखते हैं भाई. 7,800. हाउ मच? 7,800. ओके. कम टू द नेक्स्ट. बॉट गुड्स फॉर कैश, CGST 6%, SGST 6%. So simply when we purchase goods, simply we show by purchase account. It's a 20,000. It's a beta 20,000. So simply, as we know, we also paid the money for CGST and SGST. That is 6% on purchase amount. 20,000 का 6% कितना बेटा? 1200. चलो भाई ये अपना काम कंप्लीट. Come to the next transaction. पेड कार्टेज CGST SGST 6%. The amount is 1000. Okay. So to cartage account 1000. Okay. As we paid GST on it, so इनपुट CGST, भाई अगर हम एक्सपेंस कर रहे हैं तो उस पे का GST भी तो पे किया होगा। 1000 का 6% कितना 60 रुपीज़ बोथ। ओके हाँ, डेट नहीं मेंशन कर रहे ना हम लोग, डेट मेंशन कर लेते हैं। परचेज वाला 20 है और कार्टेज 21 है। ओके ओके, सो 20 21st 21st। ओके, कम टू द नेक्स्ट वन एंड दैट इज रेमिटेड टू धर्मवीर एंड डिस्काउंट अलाउड बाई हिम। ओके, हमने धर्मवीर को पेमेंट किया 1880 का, ठीक है। डेट क्या है 23rd। ओके ओके, अब डिस्काउंट अलाउड तो नहीं शो करेंगे ना। धर्मवीर, द अमाउंट इज 1880 1880। ओके, come to the next. Received money order from Mohan 500. As we received the money, Mohan 500। यहाँ की भी डेट नहीं मेंशन है बेटा, वेट अ मिनट। विजय कुमार की 12, मोहन की 25। The last few transactions are remaining here, so let's see all these. Borrowed from Mahavir. अब देखो, अगर मैं महावीर से borrowed कर रहा हूँ, that's when we receive money in a form of loan, यही ना। डेट क्या है बेटा, डेट है 27, अमाउंट is 7500. So first thing, date 27, whatever we receive in form of loan, so Mahavir's loan account 7500. Clear? Come to the next. Receive from Bhushan 3900. Discount allowed. Bhushan 3900. Okay. Last transaction, paid to Lalit 2700 in full settlement of 3000. Okay. In full settlement of 3000 by Lalit 2700 paid out of 3000 and amount is settled. So discount तो हमें वैसे भी नहीं शो करना बेटा। अपना ये क्या हो गया यहीं पे complete, अपना ये क्या हो गया यहीं पे complete। ओके, ओके गाइस, तो let's do it. So rest thing is we just going to balance it. First thing is the date of Lalit is 31st and Bhushan is 29. Okay, 31st and 29. So first thing is we calculated total receipts. और यहाँ का क्या निकालेंगे बेटा हम, total payments, यही ना। ओके ओके, so let's add it. 4 4 8 8 8 16 16 and 19 35 8 10 10 6 7 3 3 6 3 9. It's a 93,500. Let's see here. 0 zeros 15 4 and 10 0 4 0 3 3 33,000. So that is the total receipt, total payment. Now come to the balance. लास्ट डेट पे बैलेंस शो करते हैं बेटा, ये साइड अपनी बाई वाली तो बाई ही आएगा और लास्ट डेट का बैलेंस किससे शो करते हैं, कैरीड डाउन से। 93,500 से 33,000 मैं डायरेक्टली लेस कर लूँ तो ये आ रहा है बेटा 60,500। ये अपना सम आ गया, तो मतलब ये अपना बैलेंस आ गया। अब टोटल कर लेंगे एक दूसरे के आमने सामने और हो जाएगा 93,500. ओके, द लास्ट थिंग इज व्हाट, द बैलेंस इज ट्रांसफर टू द नेक्स्ट डेट, और नेक्स्ट डेट जब आएगी तो क्या हो जाएगा 2020 हो जाएगा, और जनवरी की फर्स्ट डेट होगी अपने पास, और हम उसको कैसे शो करेंगे, टू बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन 60,500. That's all for this question.